Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Jay's Jeep and Classic Car channel. Hope y'all doing well. Today we're going to put the front brake on, front left brake on, or at least the drum and the double nuts, and torque those down. We'll probably do a part 2 with all the other finishing parts of the hub and so forth. But we only have a little bit of time before supper, so we're going to try to knock this out and get it done. So here, let's jump in. I've already made a pre-assembly or sub-assembly of the drum. I've already put the bearing in with the seal, so this is ready to slide on. And so we're going to do that, and then we're going to take the nuts and turn them down and see what we get. Alright, so we have our instructions right here, or at least our diagram to continue to reference. And so we're just going to take this and slide her on ever so, and it's not going to fit. So we're going to need to break these brake settings off just a hair. We're going to do the bottoms as well. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the bearing in. Like I said, it's a little looser than I would like, but I think as we torque down the nuts, it should tighten up real nice. If not, we'll be using the old hub puller to get it back off again. So what you want to do next is you want to get the small washer and put it on there and kind of line up that channel. Of course, I don't have it in here. I don't have that other bearing in here far enough yet, so that makes it a little complicated. Alright, there we go. So now we're going to put this in, and there we go. Alright, so I decided just to go ahead and use this thing. It's kind of missing a lug up here. I'll definitely replace this long term, but for the short term, as a matter of fact, what we're going to do is we're going to put the new one. Go ahead and put the new one that I have as the inner. Not wanting to start threading on there. Quick side note, if you don't have one of these front end nut sockets, these thin wall bad boys that I have in my hand, go get you one. They're like 10-20 bucks from a lot of different websites. This will save your life. Not literally, but otherwise you're trying to reach in there. Normal sockets don't seem to fit on there, and you're using a hammer and a chisel to try to put these on and off. That's no fun. You have no way of knowing what torque setting it's at. Go ahead, spend the money, get the specialized tool that you need for it. You won't regret it. So this always kind of happens, that no matter how quick you think you're going to be able to do something, like, oh, let me just get that done before supper, turns into a bigger deal than you really anticipate. So basically what I just did was use that nut to drive those two bearings all the way back onto the shaft where they needed to be. Now the setting's 50 foot-pounds to torque this thing down. So we're going to set our torque wrench to 50 foot-pounds. See where we're at on it. And that close that gap up real nice. That's where it should be. See that turn real nice? That's nice. Real nice. So now we got our washer. But for the time being, we'll use her. And I'm putting that tab facing out so that that nut will go up over it. And so I'm just going to reuse this nut for now. Again, eventually I'll replace it once I get another order. Once I put in another order, I probably won't just order the nut and washer by themselves. Shipping will be more than the parts will be. So and so this is a little tricky to get kind of lined up. It's a fine thread. Once it gets going, you're good. Getting her kind of lined up is a little tricky. There we go. Got it kind of going. Again, we're gonna turn her down by hand. She's already tightening up pretty good. We already have it set at 50 foot-pounds. And there we go. There she is. She's all tightened down. So for the time being, we're going to put this washer back minus the dirt. We're going to put the crown nut on top. We'll do the hub and all this, the rest on a later video. So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe, the like button, all that good stuff. Leave some comments, any other comments you would like on this, and I appreciate it, y'all. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.